viewers, and welcome back for a video. For today we are building we're not making it. We are building since a parrot was added in this thing, I will show you who to make the house or the home of a parrot. Some of them look like modern, some of them look like wild, some of them are just simple. So let's see the parrot. This is the parrot, of course. Of course, do not forget parrot because that's the top one thing that we need. And by the way, we are now having a zombie villager. It's kind of a... If you did it, a zombie villager, it looks like so strange. So strange than a normal villager. So what we're needing right here, the number one is we are needing a stained glass. Where's the other stained pane glass? I mean, sorry. So we are using the gray one. Now we're using slabs. There's no slabs. No, there's no slabs right here. So last time I forgot to tell you that there's banner in my video, and in the last video I didn't tell the banner and the fireworks and bone block hack and so many of the new updates that came in this game. I guess I can talk when I'm starting recording. So let's find the slab word. Let's just type slab. I'm kind of a suck at this slab. This is what we're needing, slab. Stone slab, that's what we need. And we needing some trees, because without trees, they will not live. The tree serves as their home or house. So, but we are using the jungle one. So let's see how to pet a parrot. Petting a parrot is you just need to give him a thing, something just like cookies, if I'm correct. Come here, come back here, birdie. Oh, sorry. Don't feed it. Okay, so that's a bad idea. Do not feed a parrot. It's poisonous. Eat more. So I was wrong. Guys, do not do this to your parrots. Do not make your parrots eat some sweets. Of course, we need to remove this. Oh no. The AI downloader again. What are you doing here? So guys, I'll be right back. I'm fixing this thing. So when I see the thing, I can't remove the thing, the booster. So now let's start making the thing. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You need 8 by 10. 8 times 10. No, not the mathematics. 8 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same thing right here. We need 8 by 10. We need a long cage, but we need a thin but long, I guess. Thin but long. We need to make a rectangle. So it's gonna be 6 blocks high. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish my job. Guys, I'm back. So I made a mistake before, and I just counted. It's 7. I just didn't notice it was 7 tall high that I make before. But now I just arrange it. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 of them. So the next part is the stone slab, which is you are making the roof. So we need to cover all of this. This will serve as the roof of the birdies or the parrots. Definitely making a light here is not that hard. You're just gonna put light. It's done. So the light is not the jack-o'-lantern. Our light is glowstone. So we need to fill this up. I'm a fast builder, but I'm not a fast builder in glass paint. And I hate a glass paint because it's so hard to bounce it. Always does mistakes in every I use. So it took me 10 minutes to finish this glass paint. And there we go. So it's so dark, right? No, we're not using torch. No torch. Not magma rock. Let's find a glowstone. We are using glowstone. So just go inside on it before you go things. Okay, so just the glowstone. There we go. Oh, there we go. Put just like that. No, I was wrong. Like that. There we go. Perfect. There. And I guess birds don't need so many lights because there's a possibility that they will get blind. Ugh! To get out. There's some flies right in my face. So now it's time for the trees. Let's just get a design like just that. Put some log right here, like that. Yeah, just put some random stuff inside of it. Some nature, like that. Nature. Then get some small trees, like that. And make a high thing right here. No, just don't make it a little bit wild because the humans will not see the inside thing. So now put up the powder. I'm holding the parrots. So I think not top 5 or top 3 because I don't have many minutes to make the thing. And now there's a parrot. Let's see the views outside. So don't worry, they can breathe there because it's just glass or something. They can suffocate there because it's just Minecraft. But I don't think so if they can survive inside that thing if it's in real life. Now look at the view. It's so good. It's so fantastic, right? Hello, Mr. Parrot. And don't forget, do not feed your parrot a cookie. What will happen? Watch this. Oh no. He will get poisoned. And he will die. So that's our glitch for today. Oh, I forgot the thing. There's a glitch. If the animals or the mobs are getting poisoned, they mostly die in the poison, but humans or players can't die. Look at this, so very fantastic looking. We can feed them, even they're inside. How can we do it? How can we feed them? It's a good view if it's night, but I don't know if it's a good thing if in the morning. Hello? Get out of here. So this is how you, no, that's good. This is how you make a den, or not a den, or a cage for birds. And this had it's so lit, so very good. If you want to put if you want to put your own design, you can make it just a building. Just put slabs here and here and put some another glass plane with 6 blocks high. If you want me to do that for, if you guys want me to build more cages, not cages, maybe cages, or some houses of an animal, just comment in the section below if you want to. I think they want to escape. They said, I think they're saying, I need to breathe. I don't want to die. I want to breathe. Three blue parrots in a row. No, that's not a blue anymore. Just happy. Why they're looking at the zombie? What? What are you saying? So that's it, guys, for today. So if you like my video, just leave it a like. Right? So look, I don't know yet how to pet the parrot. Let's make an army of parrots. Yeah. Don't forget, do not feed the parrot with cookies. Don't you even think about it, guys. So this is how you make it. So good, right? So that's it for today. And I hope you can build some things just like this. Because it's not a copy of other videos. I just think about this since the update of the 1.2. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And peace.